Have you ever found yourself feeling exhausted from chasing after your dreams, only to realize that despite all the effort, things aren't falling into place? You've worked tirelessly to make things happen, only to feel that you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of effort with minimal results. Does this sound familiar? What if I told you that the secret to manifesting everything you've ever wanted might not lie in more action, but in doing nothing? It sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? But this is the core philosophy of Neville Goddard's teachings. In this video, we're going to explore a radical approach that could change everything for you, a concept so powerful that once you grasp it, you may find yourself effortlessly manifesting your desires. Now, I know it might be hard to believe that doing nothing could bring about success or fulfillment, but trust me, this philosophy has transformed the lives of countless individuals. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how this simple yet profound idea works in your life. So let's dive in, subscribe, and get ready for a transformative journey. Let's discover how doing nothing could be the key to making everything fall into place. Understanding Neville Goddard's philosophy. Neville Goddard was a profound teacher who emphasized the creative power of the human mind. He believed that our thoughts, feelings, and imagination are the primary forces that shape our reality. According to Neville, the world around you is a reflection of your inner assumptions and beliefs. Your external circumstances, whether they're positive or negative, are simply an expression of what's going on inside your mind. But Neville's teachings go beyond traditional self-help or positive thinking. He said that once you assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you don't need to push or strive for results. In fact, you should stop trying to control or force things. The key to manifesting your desires is to live in the mental state of having already achieved them. And once you've done that, you don't need to do anything else but trust the process and let things unfold naturally. It's this very concept of not doing anything after the assumption that we're going to focus on today. So, why is it so powerful, and why does it work? Let's explore this further. The law of assumption, the foundation of Neville Goddard's teachings. The law of assumption is the cornerstone of Neville Goddard's philosophy. He stated that, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and this assumption is the key to unlocking your desires. What does that mean exactly? To assume, in Neville's terms, means to completely and wholeheartedly believe that what you desire is already yours, even before it physically manifests in your reality. When you align yourself with the feeling of already having your desire, the world around you shifts to match your internal state. This is the core idea behind the law of assumption. Your beliefs shape your reality, and the more vividly and intensely you can feel as if you have already achieved your desire, the quicker it will manifest. But here's the catch. Once you've assumed the feeling of your wish fulfilled, there is no need for additional effort. That's where the concept of doing nothing comes in. The moment you feel as though your desire is already yours, you must stop forcing or trying to control the outcome. Let go, trust the process, and allow your inner assumption to manifest externally. The concept of surrender and letting go of effort. We live in a society that celebrates constant action, hustling, grinding, pushing through challenges to achieve success. But Neville Goddard's teachings ask us to rethink this approach. He believes that effort and struggle are often the very things that block our manifestations. Instead of forcing and pushing, we must learn to surrender, to let go of the need to control the outcome. Surrendering doesn't mean being passive, it means stopping the unnecessary mental effort. Once you've assumed the state of having what you desire, there's no more need to chase after it. Think of it like planting a seed in the soil. Once it's planted, you don't keep digging it up to check if it's growing. You trust that the seed will sprout when the time is right. This mental rest is where the magic happens. It's about having full faith in your assumptions and allowing them to unfold naturally. It's the paradox of manifestation. The less you force, the more you receive. How the law of assumption works in practice. So, how does the law of assumption work in real life? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're trying to manifest your dream job. According to Neville, you don't need to send out countless resumes or spend hours looking for job openings. Instead, the first step is to live in the feeling of already having the job. Close your eyes and imagine what it feels like to be employed in your ideal role. How does it feel to walk into the office? What's your first day like? Feel the joy, pride, and sense of accomplishment that comes with landing that perfect job. Once you've truly internalized the feeling of already having your dream job, Neville advises you to let go. Don't obsess over finding the job or figuring out how it's going to happen. Trust that the universe will guide you to the right opportunity. Take inspired action when it arises, but don't force anything. The key is to stop trying so hard and simply let the process unfold. Why we struggle to do nothing? The fear of inaction. Why is it so difficult to stop trying? Many people resist this concept because they fear that doing nothing means inaction, stagnation, or missing out on opportunities. We've been conditioned to believe that success requires constant hustle and grind. But this mindset is rooted in a lack of trust, not only in the universe, but in ourselves. We often think that if we don't force things to happen, nothing will ever come to fruition. But Neville's teachings invite us to trust that once we've assumed the feeling of our desire being fulfilled, the universe will align with that assumption. Your inner state is the seed that, when nurtured by faith and belief, will bear fruit in the external world. The struggle comes when we don't believe in the power of our assumptions, or when we try to control every aspect of our lives. It's time to let go of that fear and trust in the process. Doing nothing isn't the same as giving up. It's about trusting that what you've already internalized will unfold in its own perfect timing. The power of feeling, the secret to manifestation. Neville Goddard often spoke about the importance of feeling in manifestation. He taught that it's not enough to just think about your desires. You must feel them as though they are already yours. Feeling is the emotional vibration that signals to the universe that you are aligned with your desire. It's the emotional state that draws your desires toward you. The power of feeling is what makes Neville's teachings so transformative. When you feel the joy, excitement, and fulfillment of your wish already being realized, you create a powerful emotional charge that draws that reality to you. Once you align yourself with this feeling, there's nothing more to do. You simply need to maintain that feeling and let the universe work its magic. Letting go of attachment, the key to freedom. Attachment is one of the greatest obstacles to manifestation. The more we cling to our desires, the more we block them from coming to us. We often fear that if we let go, we won't get what we want. But Neville teaches that detachment is the key to freedom. When you become too attached to the outcome, you send out a vibration of lack and need, which only pushes your desires further away. But when you let go of attachment and trust that your inner assumption will be fulfilled, you create space for your desires to manifest effortlessly. Think of it like a relationship. The more you cling to someone, the more you push them away. But when you allow them to be and trust in the connection, the relationship flourishes naturally. The same principle applies to manifestation. Let go and watch everything fall into place. How Neville Goddard's teachings apply to all areas of life. Neville's teachings can be applied to any area of life, whether it's relationships, health, career, or wealth. Let's take relationships as an example. If you want to manifest love, stop chasing after love or searching for the right person. Instead, assume the feeling of already being loved and cherished. Feel what it would be like to be in a loving relationship and live in that state of fulfillment. In the same way, if you want to manifest financial abundance, don't obsess over how the money will come. Instead, align yourself with the feeling of being wealthy and abundant. Live in the state of already having money and trust that the universe will bring the right opportunities to you. The transformative power of doing nothing. Real stories. To illustrate the power of doing nothing, let's look at real-life examples. There are countless stories of people who have manifested incredible outcomes simply by assuming the feeling of fulfillment and then doing nothing. One person might have imagined themselves landing their dream job and felt the excitement of that moment, only to have the perfect opportunity present itself effortlessly. Another might have aligned themselves with the feeling of abundance, only to receive an unexpected financial windfall. These stories share a common theme. Once these individuals aligned their inner state with their desires, they stopped forcing the process. They let go of their attachment to the outcome, trusted in their assumption, and watched as everything fell into place. As we conclude, remember that Neville Goddard's teachings are about aligning your inner state with the fulfillment of your desires. Once you've done this, there is no need for further effort. Doing nothing means surrendering the need to control, trust the process, and let your desires unfold naturally. By trusting the process, you will find that everything begins to align effortlessly. The paradox is that the less you try, the more you will receive. Let go of the need to force or control, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor.